In this video, I'm reviewing the Townhouse wall-mounted mailboxes. So we have a complex that we have 7 residential units in, and we needed some mailboxes. So we went for these Townhouse. It says architectural mailboxes. So these are locking sheet metal wall-mounted mailboxes. So we went for these because of the price point. I think they were maybe $20, $30 each. I can't quite remember, but I got some on Amazon, and they also sell them at Home Depot, so that made it convenient. But I wanted to open this up and show you what the inside of the box looks like, what comes with it, how you set it up, and what it looks like completed. I also wanted to show you some tips that I came up with as I was mounting these. Something to note with this product is it does not come with any hardware, so you're going to need to have some screws or mounting brackets, or however you're going to be mounting this to the surface material. When you open it up from the box, this is what it looks like. It's a black sheet metal mailbox. It is a thin metal, so it bends easy. It does have this imprint that says mail right here, so that's pretty neat. It has a flap that you lift so that you can expose the mail slot and where the locking mechanism is going to go. If you open this up, you'll see that your locking mechanism and the keys are located on the inside. The locking mechanism is pretty easy to install. You just take it out of the packaging, place it through the hole that's located right here, and then it has a U-clip that you're going to position and push into the locking mechanism to secure it in place. Here is what it looks like with a couple of mailboxes mounted. I'm going to be mounting quite a few in this section, but I just wanted to show you, kind of the functionality of what it looks like. So this is the box, and the key with the locking mechanism is located on the top. When you unlock, you can see what I was talking about with the U-clip. So you just put that locking canister in and press the U-clip over to secure it in place. So when you look in, it's about a letter length, and it's a small capacity, so it can't hold packages, but it can hold plenty of letters. And a tip that I found is when you get this brand new, you'll notice. So let's compare these two side by side. When you get it brand new, the letter slot is really wide. It's so wide that you could easily put your entire hand through there. So what I like to do, just to improve the security of these boxes, it's still sheet metal. I know people can bend it, but I bent it inward so that it's less than the width of your fingertips. So it just helps increase the safety of these boxes. Another tip I have is when you are putting in the U-clip, make sure that this tab is pointed downward so you can grab it easily. That's the proper way to install it. When you're mounting it, you're going to have 2 screws that you put in, and you slide the box on and down. And then you have 1 more screw right here that you can put in that doesn't slide out. So that's more like a security screw. I did notice at the bottom of the box there are a couple more holes. I'm sure you could figure out a way to connect into those if you wanted. But overall, these are pretty good, economical mailboxes for what I need for my purpose. So if you find yourself needing some mailboxes similar to this, I recommend these.